Citizen Zaur Najafov, who lives on Alekbarov Street in the Yasamal settlement, held a press conference at the Arafat Press Center to speak about pressure against his family. In 2009, he appealed to parliamentary deputy Abel Maharamov requesting help in finding a job. However, the deputy provided no help. During 2010 parliamentary elections, Abel Maharamov again sought re-election from Yasamal Constitution's number 2. But Zaur Najafov lodged a complaint about the candidate, claiming that he didn't help voters solve their problems last year. He explained what happened after his complaint. After this complaint, pressure began to be applied against my family. We were disturbed and threatened and were not allowed to live in peace. The district police Rustam Aliyev demanded that I withdraw my complaint. They even threatened my mother, who is a professor at the university, that they will dismiss her. We were threatened by an unknown person. The purpose for all this is to frighten us and force us to withdraw our complaint against the deputy. After his experience during parliamentary elections last year, Najafov appealed to the courts. However, the court denied his claim, considering it ungrounded. He also appealed to other state agencies, also with no result. Najafov blamed the parliamentary deputy Abel Maharamov for pressures against his family, and he said that the purpose for holding a press conference is to draw the community's attention to the illegal actions committed against him and his family.